My grandpa and my dad started farming in 1985 with a small kiwi orchard, and now we grow 300 acres of kiwi. Kiwi fruit is one of very few pieces of fruit that actually increases its sugar level throughout time after being picked. Hazel Technologies is perfect for us because it helps us store longer.
What our company does is extend the shelf life of fresh produce by retaining the quality. We are USDA funded, and this gives us the ability to create new solutions for our growers. When we came to Kliewer Packing, we had a solution we believed in, and they were open to trying it in a commercial large volume.
We did a trial run last year, gave it a try, and it was very successful, and so now we're doing it again this year. Traditionally, we can store our kiwi fruit probably 3 to 4 months. With Hazel Technologies, now we can go 6 to 7 months.
What's different about Hazel is that we are an easy-to-use solution. We don't need special machineries and no added labor.
Efficiency in farming is so important because we're always trying to keep our costs down. It only takes 3 seconds to drop that sachet in the box, but we get an extra 3 months of shelf life out of it.
The Hazel sachets are made in the USA. We do that because as a US company, we want to support our growers and retailers.
What's nice is that they tailor the products for our needs. So for organic or conventional, whatever we're doing, we know they have specifically engineered each sachet for each product.
We started with our conventional sachets, and organic produce being an important sector of the industry, we have been listening to our growers and partners and have created a solution that's non-invasive and easy to use.
I think a lot of people that aren't using Hazel Technologies, I think they're going to be left behind.
We really want to reduce food waste. That's our mission. This year, we'll be implemented in 3.2 billion pounds of produce. What that means is we'll be reducing food waste by 270 million pounds.
We definitely feel like they partner with us, they want us to succeed, and they're here to support us. And we really get that feeling from them.